Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Bitcoin update. Today, I'm looking at Bitcoin and, even Wyckoff himself is really confused. Uh, am I a joke to you right now? I have all this distribution going on and you're not going to the downside. So Bitcoin is kind of making a recovery and I've actually, mentioned so many times, when you're in an uptrend, when you're making a bull run, right? You can never actually expect bearish pattern to be very strong. So this, if Bitcoin actually does end up coming up to maybe 70,000 one more time, then Wyckoff distribution is out of the water. That's it. That's the end of it. We don't have any SOW as expected to come down here and then move to the upside. Even though this was the plan, it could actually be triggered. Now, the daily may look a little bit messy and you may not understand what's going on the daily time frame. But what is really interesting is what is happening on the weekly. The weekly time frame is solid, right? And when I talk about solid, it seems like Bitcoin touched the 20 actually. This is the 20 EMA and then moved up to the 10 EMA. And in 1 day, 15 hours, you are about to make a dragonfly doji right over there. So speaking of dragonfly, this is the real deal, okay? So if I show you dragonfly doji right there, it's a pretty simple doji, right? I do like this image for reference, by the way, where you have the dragon itself. So you see the dragon's head is very small and the tail is very big. And then you have this little bit of a body. So if you really match the anatomy or how the look of this dragonfly looks like, this is exactly what you have. That's your dragonfly. This greenery you see right over here is exactly what you see right there. So what happens is that when you have a downtrend, you start an uptrend. So this is what is expected. As you can see, this is the future, guys. This is what you are probably about to see. Dragonfly, reversal to the upside. This is my take, right? So dragonfly and a reversal back to the upside. So of course, we still have 1 day, 15 hours to close the candle. Now, if Bitcoin ends up coming below 56,000 one more time, then this actually gets discarded, it gets invalidated, and it's not going to be in play anymore. And that's all for the quick update. I'm going to see you in the next round of office.